Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how you edit component on Figma. First, what you're gonna do is throw something that we're gonna start to analyze. Throw everything. Gonna start to edit it by. So that is really about to know how this is ready and everything thing that is ready to be defined and determined by something by every single progress that we want. First, what you're gonna do is about to click here on this and make a shapes, so many shapes. Now once you do that, you will start to control A and create the component. Okay, so we have the component is really already being created. So what you're gonna do is about to do something about to modify the layer or color or all instance update. So you're gonna start to go over here and then click on every layout. Maybe the auto layout can be really doing it, and that is exactly how you started to make it.